Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have the speed cable. It did arrive today. We're gonna go ahead and get that installed. So basically we're just gonna take this off right here, and it's just these two screws on the top, this one screw down here on the bottom, and then that's gonna come up, and the speedo would hook right up into there, the inside of it, and then we're just gonna run it down, and we'll wire it up all the way down here. Probably gonna zip tie it to the frame, to these other wires, keep it out of the way, make sure we can turn still, and then we're just gonna bolt it right in here. Right in here. It's just literally gonna go right in here. That's what we're gonna screw it in, and let's get started. Here goes the speed cable, guys. Got it from Amazon. This puppy up. That works great, everybody. Just got back from a test drive, so definitely getting my miles working again. So now I just got to run here and zip tie this to the frame and keep it out of our clearance so we can have better clearance. We don't get it all binded up when we're steering, but that is going to be it, y'all. That is the speedo cable install on the Yamaha V-Star. This is a 2001, so you guys stay tuned for the next one. See you on the next one. Thank you.